low weight, and may grow your hair in just 48 hours thanks to this drink. One of the things we can experience many times is the amount of problems that our body can have when we have poor circulation. This can bring many problems to our body, such as the appearance of varicose veins, which are some inflamed veins that can be painful. And let's not say the problems related to hair growth and being overweight. There are many treatments that can be used to improve these types of problems. However, many of these creams are not really effective. Another type of surgery is to have them removed, but this can be very expensive for some people. That is why we want to offer you a natural solution that you can use to improve the health of your legs, eliminating varicose veins and also helping your body to have better circulation and that you can feel better. So take note and try to apply this recipe. But it is also that with this drink you will grow your hair and lose weight from the first 24 hours. To make this drink, you need the following ingredients: 1/2 lemon juice, 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 beet. Preparation: 1. Take a medium beet, wash it, peel it and cut it into 4 parts. Wash the parsley well and set it a little. 2. Place the 2 ingredients mentioned above, along with lemon and water. Mix well until you have a homogeneous drink. Mode of consumption: consume this in the morning 3 times a week. With this remedy not only will you improve your circulation but also improve your stamina. You can treat varicose veins quickly and you can certainly improve your body considerably. You will also lose weight and grow your hair, as indicated above. I ask 3